Isaiah, can you say help?
Help.
Good. Can you say grandpa?
Papa.
Can you say grandma?
Elda.
Can you say cereal?
Yellow.
Good. Can you say golf?
Go.
Golf. Can you say off?
Out.
Off.
Out.
Good. Can you say go?
Go.
Good. Can you say skate?
Eight.
Good. Can you say swim?
Two.
No, you don't know that one. Can you say swing? Oh, that's swimming in the water. Swing?
Eight.
Swing.
Eight.
Good. Can you say purple?
Papa.
Can you say blue?
Two.
Can you say red?
Two.
No, red.
One.
Good. Can you say yellow?
Yellow.
Good. Can you say Dawson? No. Can you say, what does cat say?
Yellow.
Oh, careful. What does a doggy say? What does a horse say? Neigh. What does a sheep say? Bah. What does a lion say?
I.
Oh, you're going to write your name? I. S. Oh, you want Mama to help you? Say help.
Help.
Good.